You listening to D-Rock? D-Rock,
Yeah,
you hear me?
yeah.
Oh, look, so I asked, I said, hypothetically speaking, say I got a script from you. The script involved a Yeti talking blog style in the wild, survival style with a comedy twist using Gen Z slang. What would be a good app or use for AI to generate the video that matches that kind of script? If it would take more than one app to get the job done, please let me know in a step-by-step format. It's a final goal, an animated or AI generated video of a Yeti vlogging in the wild, speaking Gen Z slang survival style with humor. Step by step, get the script from ChatGPT. Step 2, generate the voice over Yeti style with the tool Even Labs. It says you can create a custom voice clone or use their quirky emotive voice library to make a deep yet a comedic Yeti voice. So what to do, paste your script, pick or train a voice, something gravely exaggerated, export audio as an MP3 from 11 Labs. Once you do that, say create the animated Yeti in scenes. There are two strong paths here. Option A, use a 3D AI animation tool, Krikey AI, Krikey AI. It says it lets you animate custom 3D characters from text or voice, including facial expressions and body movement. It says how upload the voiceover, choose or customize a Yeti character, use auto body plus face animation, export scenes, loop or stage them based on script. Option B, use a Vyond or animate it for 2D animation. So you say you don't want 2D animation, so you go to the first option. But for 2D animations, it's if you're okay with cartoon style Yeti and basic wild survival backgrounds, import script voice. This is how you do it. Import script voice, create custom Yeti character. Vyond supports furry types. Animated facial expressions, scenes changes, and natural background plus vlogging style movement. Step 4, assemble and edit the video tool, CapCut or Runway. So I'll use CapCut. CapCut did. And CapCut is got a paid version and a free version. Why? Easy drag and drop editing and auto caption, zooms, meme style overlays, Gen Z text, etc.
Wait, you said CapCut makes AI videos?
CapCut do auto captions with AI. But that's not the free. That's not included in the free version. I think they give you 2 free uses a week for auto CapCut for auto captions, and other than that, you gotta pay for it. It's like $20 a month, something like that.
I'm gonna be paying for a lot of motherfucking subscriptions, nigga, just to make videos.
It's a why. I just know that about CapCut. I'm not about the other ones. I use CapCut. It's a why easy drag and drop editing with auto captions, zooms, meme style overlays, Gen Z text, etc. Steps: import animated clips plus voiceover. Add a camera shake, vlog, cam effects. Add TikTok style captions. Bruh, I just fought a raccoon. As far as an example. Sound effects, survival ASMR plus goofy hits. Export video. Step 5, add soundtrack and comedy Polish. A tool, Epidemic Sound or CapCut's music library. CapCut got a music library for sounds and sound effects and stuff like that. Why? Background survival document, soundtrack or goofy jungle drums. Add comic sound cues, blunt swoosh or record scratches. Eddie breathing, fumbling, falling off rocks, things of that nature. Summary, full stack tools, breakdown, script, ChatGPT, voice, 11 Labs, animation, Krikey AI, editing, CapCut, sound, Epidemic Sound. If you want hands-free commission, try Pika Labs. Limited control, but full text-to-video experiments. So with the collaboration of a bunch of different apps at the same time, those was the list of apps. And if you want a hands-free version, where it's you don't really gotta do too much, Pika Labs. Want to go viral? Cut into YouTube Shorts or TikToks using CapCut templates with catchy creations. Need custom Gen Z slang writing? I can generate that script for you. Form or captions. That's what it said, bro. Good morning. What's good, William? Welcome to the stream, gang. Are we buying AUD USD? Nah, this is GBP AUD, and yes, I am in these active buys. Sitting in some drawdown a little bit. Probably like 2 pips in drawdown, maybe. That's what it said, bro. Let's see. I lied, not 2 pips. Oh, 9 pips in drawdown. Actually, about 8 pips in drawdown. Are we buying AUD USD? Nah, this is on GBP AUD. And this is my position based off my personal opinion. I'm not enticing you to take this trade. If you take this trade, take it with your own risk management at your own free will. It's not in no way, shape, or form financial advice. Do your own research. Um, with me personally, the way I took this trade, I do have scaled down risk. So I risk half of what I normally risk because this is a risky setup according to my criterion. So yeah, just a little disclaimer. I got triggered on this position. I'm gonna
God,
stay
I
here
got
till about.
trades on
I'm gonna
everything.
stay here till about 5 o'clock. Chat. After 5 o'clock, I'm gonna end the stream. No matter where price. If I'm in drawdown, if I'm in profit at 5 o'clock, I'll end the stream. Um, TP1 will be a 1-to-1 risk reward. So I'm gonna take partials at 70 pips in profit. If we don't go 70 pips in profit and we hit stop loss, then that's just a losing trade. No big deal, bro. We got a nice ass trade yesterday on AU running for a little over a 1-to-2 risk reward. We got a nice ass trade on NZD USD running for a 1-to-3 risk, a little over 1-to-3 risk reward. The AU one is the only one I called on live stream though. But so I ain't really tripping too much if this trade gets stopped out, understanding that this is a risky trade.
Everything is a paid subscription, man. It's not one I can try for free.
Did you got visual examples of stuff that was used in the app though? That way you'll know what kind of content it is before you pay for the subscription.
Huh?
Do they got any examples on a website based off of stuff that was made within that app? That way you get an idea on what kind of content has potential.
Yeah, so I'm on facesreels.com and they got, the voice that you be hearing on TikTok and all that
Mm-hmm.
shit. They got
Yeah.
them, they got those voices. They got let me go back. Hold up. So you first log in, it says choose format or niche. It says use the one that you can use what they have or custom format. They got story time, what if, 5 things you didn't know, random facts, and a niche. As I put see like my fitness intro. Then it gives you a list of AI voices that you can use for voiceovers. And they got Adam. That's the well-known voice for TikTok and Instagram. Alex. He's an upbeat and plow. He's a great voice for YouTube Shorts, and social media. And they got female voices and all that. And those 2 voices right there, I already know they popular. Like the Adam voice.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one that you be hearing on like TikTok top 10 videos or TikTok videos and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Adam's voice. Then so I pick Alex for like YouTube and shit, social media. Then they say background music, but I skipped that because I don't got time. I ain't looking for no type of background music because I gotta see the visual to know what type of music I want to put. Then it says art style. It says choose your visual style for your video. So they got realism, they got Polaroid, they got what's this? Ghibli, they got Lego, they got Disney, they got anime, they got painting, and they got fantasy. And I chose realism. Then it says caption style. So they got block strike, red highlights, and sleek. I choose the block style. Then it says connect your social media account for when you want to publish your content. I didn't connect anything yet. so I could do it later. Then it says finalize your series detail and posting schedule. So series name, it says your schedule time. Then you click create series and it sends me right to the choose your plan. Hobby, $20 a month. Daily, $40 a month. Pro, $70 a month. I can't even get like a preview of what the hell I just did before I even pay for this shit. So I gotta pay for it before I even get to see. But
That
I ain't
makes sense
see.
because if they gave you a preview before you of what you actually did
I can
before you
take it.
post it, they could just screen record
I
it
can,
and take it.
yeah. But where I get faces, where I get that from is Instagram. Because I'm watching an Instagram video and they have an AI talking about faces real. And then they show like a video of it, but I think I'm gonna have to pay for one of these motherfuckers just to make a fucking video.
Fuck it.
Like I don't even get no free trial on this shit.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. Alright, I got an idea about this trade, chat. This is my idea. Because we look like we may be rejecting off this level. Actually, alright, let me stop getting ahead of myself. Because we look like price wants to reject this level, I have to think of it from a seller's perspective. Even though buyers are in control, I gotta look at it from seller's perspective, right? Because if this is a break and retest of this zone here to go bearish, have as price close below this support, coming back up to retest to see if it can hold as resistance. My bias is anticipating that this resistance will fail, and we're going to overall make a new high, being as though we have a directional bias of overall being bullish on a daily 4 hour in a 4 hour time frame. 1 hour is bullish, but is in a retracement phase of a bullish market. Reason being is I don't think this was a valid level of shifting structure. I think this was just fake outs, really. Grabbing liquidity below these internal structure lows to then go higher. That's what I think. So with that being said, I have to think about this as a seller's perspective. If I'm wrong about this being just liquidity grabs and this is overall actual reversal structure, based off of a seller's perspective, a seller will be trying to trade this break and retest to go lower, anticipating that this level will hold. Based off of my strategy as a seller, what I will be waiting for is price to pull back into the same exact area with higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, price has a higher high, then they have a higher low yet. So if price makes a higher low, re-breaks a higher high, putting me in a short-term profit, and re-break the low that creates that higher high, basically the kind of setup I will be looking for, but inverted. So like this. Normally I will be looking to take this sell during a bearish pro trend market. But because this market is not bearish, I wouldn't take this. So if we could re-break a high after creating a higher low in some drawdown or so, and price takes out that low, ideally I wouldn't want to be in this trade. That would, to me, would look like this level is holding as resistance, and then this is a reversal pattern, overall continuing down, giving us a deeper 4 hour and daily retracement. That will be the seller's perspective. Also, looking at the 4 hour time frame, we do have a massive bearish engulfing at a major level of resistance, letting me know that this 4 hour could potentially, well, just let me know what this bearish engulfing is what triggered this 4 hour retracement. Looking at the 1 hour time frame at the same exact level, we do have a weak pin bar candlestick with another 1 hour bearish engulfing. So this let me know potential reversals all off of this area. Daily time frame. Daily time frame supports the bullish bias. Reason being is we have big rejection wicks to the upside, letting me know that we could potentially fill this previous daily wick, right? We have price filling to close above this area. We had a market open gap right here. Price filled the gap, went down bearish. Now price eventually closed above this level of support with this daily candlestick here. Our current daily candlestick during agent session opened at the previous daily candlestick close. Overall push down aggressively, right? With no real top wick. Just let me know that based off my entry, this daily candlestick does have potential to flip bullish and breaks its own high, which will potentially trigger this overall previous daily candlestick wick fill, right? Putting me in deep profit, hitting my first overall target. So, summary. From a seller's perspective, if we create higher high and higher low structure, putting me in some profit and re-break a previous higher low on a 5-minute time frame, I'll be looking to exit that trade, just losing less than what I planned to lose, knowing that this is a risky setup and that will be sellers regaining control of an overall bullish market, but on a 5-minute time frame. Also, in the 1-hour time frame, we do have 1-hour bullish reversal pattern here because we had a pin bar candlestick up here with a bearish engulfing. Now we have price aggressive drop into another volatile level of support, a slowdown in the overall drop. As you can see, the drop from here had a lot of momentum. Price slowed down in this area. Now we have a 1-hour bullish engulfing, letting me know that we may have some potential buyers back up into this area where it previously dropped from. That supports my pro trend bias alongside the 4-hour daily already being aggressively bullish. Right? So again, if we have a 5-minute higher highs and higher lows structure as we retest in the zone and fail to close above here in the 1-hour time frame, I'll look to manage my trade if we re-break higher low on a 5-minute chart. Other than that, I am very confident in this buy. Understanding that this is a risky setup and has potential to lose, because M3 has potential to lose, I'm still confident in this position, and I will look to manage my trade if the 5-minute start to shift structure. Right now, the 5-minute is still bullish as long as we remain above this high. This is the initial push of this initial start of the push that took out this lower high. This is the start of the 5-minute time frame going bullish. When this 5-minute time frame goes back bearish, where I want to exit out the trade, right now, that doesn't happen to down here. But if price creates this high, where price is currently at, where my entry is, creates a higher low, putting me like in drawdown, re-breaks this high, I will then show my stop loss to this current low. That way, if it does reverse, I lose less than what I plan to risk, understanding that this is a riskier setup. And that's where the pro traders separate from the unprofitable traders. Understanding that setup is potentially risky and managing the trade with potential to lose less than your overall planned risk. Other than that, if we make it higher low, the 5-minute time frame make a new high and just continue to drive up, 1 hour closing below this previous level of resistance here, confirming that this level was a fake out, then I will be in some deep profit. I got 15 minutes left while I wait for this hourly candlestick close. I'm anticipating that this hourly candlestick could close above this level of resistance, but where price is currently at within this last 14 minutes, this hourly candle looks trash as fuck. But at the same time, if this 1 hour candlestick does close right where it's at right now, that wouldn't be a bad closure either. It is just set up for a gambler candle to re-break the previous hourly highs and then drop. If this candlestick closed right where it's at right now, the next candlestick created by the wick flip break the previous candlestick highs. Trailing your stop loss right here is not a bad idea, being a 25 stop loss, because the new candlestick will break the previous candlestick highs, and you'll be anticipating that break of the previous candlestick high will start to drive momentum back up. Looking to the left, you have a clean range to fill. But that this candlestick closing where it's at right now, it's definitely not even a bad idea. I just don't want it to close aggressively bearish. Then that would be bad business. If it closes right where it's at right now, that's not the worst case scenario. I wouldn't even care about that. But if this hourly candle aggressively just flips, breaks its own low, just start closing all the way down here, it is gonna look a little tough. You can see it gotta be bad. It's perfect. Fuck it again. This one's stuck in my head. That's on every trade you take. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. Appreciate that, bro. Appreciate the prayers, my guy.
Was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought
I was feeling you.
that nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch stay in balance, keep it a beam. When it be mad, I be on a steam. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not with a steam. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch, how you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, niggas not breathing. I'm in a check, flow they need me. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. You in my body, he telling me please. I won't compass me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She come on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like
Win something, lose. I lost. Terrible. 4 times. Never rained 4 times. Just like that. I'm absolutely not going quiet, but you guys been here for 1,000. It's AI. I generate prompt that makes this video basically turbocharged. And then select generate. And by the way, show's gonna be off the chain. Totally off the chain.
Zero.
Yo,
Click that link I just sent you. Try and get your IP address real quick.
yo, what?
Click the link I just sent you. Click the link I just sent to your phone. Try to get your IP address real quick.
Why you want my IP, nigga? The fuck?
Nah, click the link for real.
I'm not clicking that link, bro.
Bro, look at the link, bro.
I'm not clicking no link, bro.
Bro, it's on your phone.
You talking about this? You talking about this video?
Yeah.
AI Vision, Video Gen.
Yeah. You talking? Click this link real quick. I'm trying to get your IP address.
Yo, you funny as shit. Let's see, intro.
on game, but you wanna play you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day. When you figure out you're gonna need someone, when you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice.
Stock
Poetic
footage.
justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn, you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair, your soft
Oh shit, I'm looking at the wrong
big
here.
and that sundress. Ooh. Good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that thing move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication, save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want.
This gonna take some time.
Put it in the song, alright. Every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter hits true. My life in
For
the
chat, what I'm gonna say.
proof I'm talking.
Hey, Ans, I'm gonna update you in the Discord what I do with this position, bro. In the general chat. Do you want me to ping you or not? I could ping you if you want me to ping you. I'm gonna update you when I take partials or stop loss in the Discord. But my stomach hurt, but I don't feel like sitting here, bro.
You looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy. We can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common. And what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering. Sex drive when you swerve. I want that interference. It's coherent. I can hear it. That's your heartbeat. It either caught me or it caught me. Read slow and you'll find gold mines in these lines. Sincerely, yours truly. And right before you go blind, P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it.
New York stream or nah? Yeah, I can stream New York.
Real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he call his pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass to the picture.
Couple reps. Watch this.
Basket thicker, tricking on licking. I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, you can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for you fake ass hoes. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, match that fake ass coat. I'm the realest bitch ever to you snake ass hoes. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get snatched up. Dirty ass ass, baby girl, you need to back up. It's your Miami and I
I gotta fucking throw up, bro. Alright, see you then. Take care. Alright, bro, I'm out, bro. Thank you for everybody stop by the stream, bro. You do hit that follow button. That follow button. Oh, I will see you on TikTok during New York session too. If you're new, hit this subscribe button. Got a new video dropping tomorrow, which will be Wednesday, not tomorrow Tuesday, but like tomorrow Wednesday. But today is Tuesday, it's 5 a.m. New education will drop on Wednesday. The video for the me trading versus chat GPT video that drops Friday is already recorded and edited. Just gotta drop it on Friday just to give some entertainment coming into the weekend. And it's you low key cheated because you already know how the video end because you was in the live stream and I recorded it. So you low key cheated. But I'm in the stream here. It's your boy Traderholic and I'm out, chat. Peace.